everyone, I'm Zhena, founder of Magic Hour. I have a big idea and I need your help to make it happen. So my tea salon in Ojai, California is a beautiful gathering space. When COVID happened, I wasn't allowed to host my tea circles of love and support for others in the space. And I started wondering what was possible. And as I was gazing out the window of the tea salon, I was looking at this desolate piece of land that's been ignored and not watered and not cared for years and years and years and years. And I thought, what if I buy the land somehow magically, we are Magic Hour, and I turn it into a medicinal herb garden for educating people on the power of herbs. I would rehabilitate the soil, I would do rain catch and make it fully sustainable, and then eventually in the back we would have a beautiful, I had a vision of a gorgeous like greenhouse glass building for actual tea ceremony. And my initial vision of connecting the world through tea ceremony was before the name Magic Hour even came to me. And I wanted to host tea ceremonies at the UN Institutes of Peace all over the world as a peacekeeping and peacemaking process. And so we have to start where we are. And I have to start here in the empty lot of land next to my tea salon in Ojai, California. So my vision is to rehabilitate the soil and to grow beautiful medicinal herbs, to cultivate bees and butterflies and pollinators, and show people what you can do with a piece of land that has been, you know, really ignored and never nurtured, at least as far as I can see. So I hope you will join me in this journey of transforming this piece of property, this piece of this dirt, into the gold of connection and the gold of tea ceremony and teaching about medicinal herbs and tea ceremony for peace and for joy and for connection. So that's pretty much my vision. And maybe you can imagine it now, where the back part of the property has this gorgeous, like almost like a greenhouse, but it's a gathering space. I want to create a new model of a Japanese tea house in totally eco fashion. And then all of this becomes, you know, for pollinators and bees and flowers. And there will be a fountain and meditation spaces, and kids can come and learn about bees and herbal medicine, and it will be a gathering space for our community. So anyway, that's my big vision, and I am so excited to share the process along the way.